See, this is it. We have cleared the 3.4 gig. See, you are seeing it now. We have cleared the 3.4 gig. So we have get more spaces. Understand? And I will look at this. So that's how to clear this cache.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends on where you are watching from. So if you want to clear, I want to show you how to clear your memory cache. Like if you don't know where to find this, just go to your PC on your phone. When you type Task Manager, just type Task Manager. You can see it here. Go to your Task Manager, click it, then come here, go to your performance, and if you go to performance, you will see here memory. Click on memory, you will see here, see the memory. So I want to teach you how to clear this cache and memory. As you can see, this is occupying spaces in my local disk. So this is 3.4 gig. So I'm here to teach you how to clear this so that you have more spaces in your local disk. So if you want to clean this, I will leave it, I will just minimize it so that you will see it when it's cleared. So if you want to clear this, open your Chrome, type lam map. See here is for Microsoft. Go here, click this lam map. See it. Go here, click this Microsoft lam map download. Click it. Once you click it, then you come here, you download it. I will not click download because I have already downloaded it. I have downloaded it. It's in my PC already, so no need of me clicking download. So what you will do next is to after downloading this lam map, then you install it. You are going to install it in your PC. Then once you finish installing it, then go to that your lam map. Let me click my way. Lam map, see it here, then run it, open the app. Oh, sorry, okay, as you can see. So when you open the lam map, you will see something like this. So what you are going to do is that when you open your lam map, then come here, go to empty. If you click this empty, you see this empty standard list. Click on empty standard list. So once you click on empty standard list, then let us go back to our PC. See, can you see it now? This is it. See, this is it. We have cleared the 3.4 gig. See, we are seeing it now. We have cleared the 3.4 gig. So yeah, we have gained more spaces. Understand? And I will look at this. So that's how to clear this cache from your memory. Thank you. So if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe.